His phone has a life of its own now. I don't know what's going on with it. Oh god. It's possessed. The hard drive's going out or something. Time to turn it off again. Try killing the multitask. Oh god. Good. Yeah. Open up the multitask. And press and hold on Shazam.